welcome in this sacred space, this safe container for your soul, dedicated for healing, releasing traumas, trapped emotions, connected, I'm hearing, to childhood from this lifetime, but also from other past lives. I hope you feel the shift of energy. It's big, it's massive. And before recording this video, I was shuffling one of my favorite deck. And okay, so interesting. Okay, so interesting. I got this 6 card, and then I guess other ones to come. So it's starting like this. There is a divine feminine. Doesn't have to be a feminine. You can just have a very strong divine feminine placement within. You are in the process of releasing the jealousy. And if you have been connected to the channel, thank you, by the way, for your love and your support always. I love you so much. You know that since few days, we're really tapping into end of cycles, especially for karmics. It is really global in the grid I'm hearing at this time, because we want to get rid of anything that is not love, light, and truth before this new chapter to come in. So you are in the process of releasing. There is this karmic specific person that is or were connected to you and had some hard time letting you go. So you are in the process of releasing this jealousy. They just don't want you to be happy. They're not just digesting the fact that you moved on. And so because you're just a master, I got home, new life, and safe travel. And I don't know if you're manifesting a new home, a new place, but I would not be surprised, as again, end of cycles, especially last year of the snake, shedding so much old skin, old version of the self. A year 9 in numerology, really end of cycle, a volunteer, I'm hearing, to start over. So again, I would not be surprised you really wanting to move in a new place, a new country, and I would highly encourage you to do that, to start over, new people, new opportunity, new job, new career, new self, the actual, I'm hearing, self, because you've been doing some massive clearing and cleansing, and it's as if now the new version is just so ready to have, I'm hearing friendship, new friendship. It's as if, like, for you now, you're just becoming so turn in quality, obviously, over quantity, and you're just very selective with your, thank you for the confirmation on my phone, very selective with your energy, who you're giving, extremely important, who you're open up with, who you're letting in, suck in, also I'm hearing, because your energy is becoming more and more pure, and you just want to spend it with the right people. Your temple is becoming more and more beautiful. You want the right people to be able to enjoy. You've been working too much to spend, to throw away your magnificent energy. It's like people, I got very Andromeda and then Dolphin of Sirius energy. It's like this magnificent beauty that you have is just for a very limited amount of people. Oh yeah, this joy. This is a frequency of pure joy. I'm hearing, thank you for the confirmation on my phone. This is beautiful, pure download from Andromeda, but really Dolphin of Sirius. Yesterday's price is not today's price. Yeah, it's big. I'm hearing also, you're not expensive. They just can't afford you. Big difference. Big difference. Your energy is not for everybody at all. You're become really somebody. You are, and you're becoming somebody very important. I got transmutation, you see, and good fortune. This is just so beautiful. I got transmutation and good fortune. This massive transformation, massive, like all the skin that you've been shading, isolation, the work behind the scene you've been doing very serious. Lock in, I'm hearing what you're doing right now. Yeah, but also, again, it's not quite surprising. The person you're becoming is just so safe for money. So you're attracting abundance again, also because you have very powerful project to birth, I'm hearing. So God was just waiting for you to align, you see, and I'm hearing to face the responsibilities that are going to be given to you. Phew, this is big. Relief. You remember we started with you're releasing, and it's a relief. So that's quite different, but in the same energy. You see, you've been releasing some very toxic energy. You are in the process of doing it. And it's a big relief for your soul, because your soul was so sad not to be aligned with your true authentic self, with your true mission. Yeah, it's been quite some time that you lost for karmic others. People just wanted to take. And because you're a beautiful light worker, starseed, shaman, empath, yoga, you love to give. It's your true nature. You just love to give, and they love to take. I just saw, ok, you're very connected. If you want to dig deeper, you can check my website. And I am so thrilled to announce that there is a new baby out there. And I've been co-creating with the Most High and another powerful master. It's called Kundalini Revolution, the Kundalini Revolution. And today we've been releasing the episode number 1. Check this out if you want to get rid of this karmic once and for all, once and for eternity. This is where you want to invest your money and your potential, I'm hearing. Cannot make this up. This karmic is not just from this life. It's been ruining your lives since a very long time. A very, very long time, and it's time to cut the cords. Some of you will be extremely guided to do it. Just press. I'm hearing press play. Yeah, you're ready also. It's a question. It's a matter of divine timing. Yeah, because you've been very focused. So this is a reward for your soul. Thank you for being here. Don't forget to subscribe, as my medicine is going to reach the world. I love you, and until next time, namaste.